सुस्वागतम पिला माने आज आम षष्ठ श्रेणी इंग्लिश बहिर दि रेवेन एंड द फॉक्स पाठर प्रश्नोत्तर कार्य को आम आलोचना करवा। तेणु पिला माने आरंभ शेष पर्यंत यही भिडियो को देखी शुणी बुझापी चेष्टा कर। तो पिला माने आस यही प्रश्नोत्तर कार्य को आरंभ करवा। Let us discuss fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. किसी ऑप्शन दिए ताको आमे बाछि शून्य स्थान पूरण करवा। मिस्टर रेवेन इज ए डैश। रेवेन कौन? बार्ड किंबा बेंग, पक्षी किंबा बेंग। रेवेन किए? इठी आमे सठिक उत्तर हो रेवेन गोटे पक्षी। काउर नाम तेणु बार्ड उत्तर हो BIRD लिखा। The name of the fox is dash रेवेन रेनार्ड उत्तर हो रेनार्ड होची फॉक्स रो ना बिलवार नाम रेनार्ड। 3 Mr. Robin and dash in his brick a piece of food, a bunch of leaves. Mr. Robin had a piece of food. Mr. Robin कौन धरतिला? ता थंटर कौन धरतिला? A piece of food किसी खाद्य को धरतिला। तेणु एठी लिखिबा a piece of food हबो सठिक उत्तर। B stanza 2. Question number 1. The fox calls the raven a dash bird dash raven a dash bird foolish good looking. The fox calls the raven good looking एर आंसर सठिक आंसर हम गुड लुकिंग। I the fox asked raven to dash dance or sing। एर सठिक आंसर हम sing। गाइबा पे कहला the fox asked the raven to dash dance sing। गाइबा पे कहिथिला the raven and the fox live in the dash trees wood woods। उत्तर हम woods जंगल रे रहउथिले तेणु wood। Stanza 3. The raven dash that his croaked remember forgot। The raven काउटी तार कर्कश स्वर को से संपूर्ण भूली जाइथिला। रिमेम्बर्ड फॉरगॉट सठिक उत्तर हो फॉरगॉट। तेणु फॉरगॉट लिखिबा FORGET फॉरगॉट। The raven opened its beak to dash eat sing। raven open पाटी खोलला ता थंट खोलला to dash eat sing खाइबा पई ना गीत गाइबा पई sing। तेणु sing हबो उत्तर। Third, the dash fell down raven food। किए पड़ीगला? तार खाद्यटी पड़ीगला तेणु लिखिबा फूड खाद्य पड़ जाइथिला। तेणु आमे एठी लिखिबा फूड पड़ीगला ता थंडे तो धरथिला ता पड़ीगला। Stanza 4. The fox dash at the raven। The fox dash at the raven loved looked देखिला ना हसिला। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖାଦ୍ୟଟି ପଡ଼ିଗଲା ସେ ହସିଥିଲେ, ତେଣୁ loved ହବ ଉତ୍ତର loved. It is not that to be proud of oneself. Wise, unwise. यार सठिक उत्तर हब wise. Wise हब तेणु आम लिखा wise. The raven learned a dash lesson teaching. The raven learned ଶିଖିଲା, କ'ଣ ଶିଖିଲା? କିଛି ପାଠ ଶିଖିଲା. Lessons କିଛି ଶିକ୍ଷା କଲା. Learned lesson କିଛି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିଲା. lesson लिखिबा lesson. तापर प्रवर्ती प्रश्न को जीवा. Read the poem again and match the word column A with their meaning column B. एठी किछि वर्ड दिए छी एवं column B रे किछि अर्थ अछि meaning. Check your answer with your teacher and your classmate, and your classmate one has been done for you. गोटिए तुम पई कर दिए छी. एठी morsel a small piece of food. सही भली हमें एक preached कोण हबो? Preached अर्थ preached हबो set on a branch. Set on a branch ताको हम जोड़िबा set on a branch. तापरे seek 3 नंबर seek. seek हबो seek अर्थ हबो seek हबो to look for something. To look for something सहित हमें जोड़ी देबा. तापर देखिबा pride. pride हबो pride feeling that you are better than others. एटी हब. तापरे eyed. eyed हबो looking with interest at something. तापरे limb. limb limb. limb हबो branch of a tree. branch of a tree. तार woods. woods हबो a small area of forest with similar kind of trees. वर्तमान हम आगो बुझिबा. एठी let us think and reflect. एगुड़िकु देख भाव एवं reflect करो. Look at the picture and number then the order that they happened in poem. एई पद्यरे जहा घटी जाइछि, जो विषय जहा पर जहा लेखाइछि ताकु आमे एठारे लिखिबा. एठी काउटिए किछि खाद्य टुकुड़ा धरिछि. एठी हबो एटा 1 नंबर हे जिवो. एटा 1 नंबर हे जिवो. 1 नंबर देबा प्रथम. तापर 2 नंबर काउटी खाद्य टुकुड़ा धरिछि. बिलुआ ता संगरे कथा होछि. ता गीत गाइबा पे कहउछि. काहेकि ना से जेतलो गीत गाइबो ताले ता पाटरू खाद्य खसी पड़िबो. तेणु ये हबो 2 नंबर. तापर आसीबो एठी पड़ी जाइछि. तेणु ये हबो 3 नंबर पद्य अनुसार. तापर ये से खाद्य को धरि देइछि. तेणु ये हबो 4 नंबर. तापर आमे आगो बुझिबा. Read the following lines and answer the questions the following. Sir Raven, you are a handsome bird. Such feather, if you would only sing, the birds of these woods would call you king. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା. such feathers refers to dash feathers, shiny and beautiful, black and dull, grey and long, short and unattractive. और सठिक उत्तर हबो such feathers ଏଟା such feathers refers to a shiny and beautiful. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ shiny and beautiful. ଉତ୍ତର question number 2. Why would the bird of the woods call the raven king? यार उत्तर लिखिबा they would call him king if he could sing as beautiful as he looks. The fox claims his voice would complete his royal appearance. Question number 3. Why does the fox address the raven as sir? Triple I. Why does the fox address the raven as sir? Raven as sir. यार उत्तर हमें लिखिबा the fox raven काहेकि fox. Why does the fox address the raven as sir? raven को काहेकि sir बोली कहले. The fox uses sir as a form of flattery and false respect. He wants to make the raven feel important and superior so that the raven will let his guard down. ମିଛ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦେବାର କାରଣ ଯେ ଖାଦ୍ୟର ସୁରକ୍ଷାକୁ ସେ ଭୁଲିଯିବ ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ସାର୍ ବୋଲି ସମ୍ବୋଧନ କଲେ. ଯେଉଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଟୁକୁଡ଼ା ଧରିଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଭୁଲିଯିବ ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ସାର୍ ବୋଲି ସମ୍ବୋଧନ କରିଥିଲେ. B. The raven who did not see the joke forgot that his voice was just a croak. He opened his beak in his foolish pride. Why did the raven open his beak? In answer लिखिबा the raven opened his beak because he wanted to sing and saw of his voice, having forgotten that his natural voice was just a croak. Complete the following with one word from the given lines. Fox, clever. Raven, foolish. Fox, ପିଲୁଆ ଚତୁର. raven, foolish. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ foolish. 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 Let us learn. Write the rhyming words from the poem. One has been done for you. ଗୋଟିଏ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ କରିଦିଆଯାଇଛି. ସେଇଭଳି ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା. stanza 1 limb. rhyming word କ'ଣ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା. ଏଠି limb him. big sick ହେବ. big ର rhyming word sick. SEEK sick. ତାପରେ stanza 2 word ର bad. word ର bad ଲେଖିବା. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ହେଇପାରିବ bad ଆଉ sing ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରିବ. sing SING sing. ତାପରେ rhyming word stanza 3 joke. joke ର ହେବ croak. joke ର croak CROAK croak. ଏହିଭଳି ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା. stanza 4 no ର ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା କ'ଣ glow. on white surprise ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା glow on white surprise. তারপরে 2 নম্বর question number 2, study the underlined words as words in the poem. For the raven held in his great big break. The word big and break begin with the some B sound. B sound रे आरंभ होची. Question number B, the song of sweet bird. Song and sweet. Song, sweet. Alteration is a repetition of consonant words at the beginning of words. When two or more words together begin with the same sound, it is called alternation. Rhyming word called alternation. Olankara ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଛି. Now pick another example of alternation from stanza 2. Choose the correct opposite from the box given below and complete the table. There are 2 extra words that you will not need. One is done for you. ପ୍ରଥମଟି କରିଦିଆଯାଇଛି. ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା wise, notice, happy, then humility, flew, ଏଠି preached ର କ'ଣ ହବ? preached ର flew. ଏଠି preached flew ଦେଇଛି FLEW. ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା flew, ତାର ବିପରୀତ ଶବ୍ଦ FLEW. forgot, remembered, REMEMBERD. remember. ତାପରେ ଲେଖିବା foolish, wise, wise, pride, humility. ତାପରେ ଆଗକୁ ଯିବା laughed, ହସିଲେ, ତାର ବିପରୀତ ହବ cried, CRIED, cried. ignore, notice, ignore ହବ notice. ତାପରେ glow, dim, ଲେଖିଦେବା. ତାପରେ ଆଗକୁ ଯିବା ତାପରେ ଆସିବା listen. Let us listen. You will listen to what the crow did after he lost his food. As you listen, mark the given statements is true or false. ଏଠାରେ true, ଠିକ ଭୁଲ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା. The crow was unhappy that he lost his food. crow, କାଉଟି ଦୁଃଖୀ ହେଲା that he lost his food. ତା ଖାଦ୍ୟ ହରାଇବାରୁ ସେ ଦୁଃଖ ଅନୁଭବ କଲା. ତେଣୁ ଏହା ଠିକ ହବ. ଠିକ ହେବା. The crow thought that his lovely feathers made him smart. এটা আমাদের ঠিক দেবা. The crow wanted to tell his friends not to be proud. এটি মধ্যে ঠিক হব. ঠিক দেবা. The crow wanted to tell his friends not to be proud. The crow wanted ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା to tell his friends not to be proud. ଗର୍ବରେ ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା. Let us keep let us write. Answer the following questions. Why does the raven forgot that his voice is just a talk? ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା କାଉଟି ତାର ସ୍ୱର କେବଳ କର୍କଶ ବୋଲି କାହିଁକି ବୁଲି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ଏହାର ଉତ୍ତର ଲେଖିବା ଦି raven forgot because he is blinded by the fox sweet flattened and his own pride. Question number 2. Why does Renard make the raven sing? The Renard makes him sing by telling him that his voice must be as beautiful as his feathers, and the birds of woods would call him king. Question number 3. Why does Renard say that the pride is not wise? ଅହଙ୍କାର ଗର୍ବର ଲକ୍ଷଣ। ଅହଙ୍କାରର ଗର୍ବ ଓ ତାର ଲକ୍ଷଣ କ'ଣ? He says it is not wise because pride makes you careless, which allows others to trick you easily. Question number 4. Give one reason why the preaching is quite as a surprise. Our answer ଲେଖିବା it is surprise because the raven thought he was getting a compliment, but he actually got a lesson in being foolish. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏହି ପାଠର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର ଆଲୋଚନା ଶେଷ ହୋଇଛି। ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିବ। ଯଦି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଛି ତାହେଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ ଏବଂ ଆମମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେୟାର କରିବେ ଏବଂ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ନୂଆ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦୟାକରି ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିନେବେ। ରହୁଛି ପୁଣି ଅନ୍ୟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଦେଖା ହେବ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବିଦାୟ।